Create a PNR or booking file. Search for availability first, A for availability, and 10 SEP is travel date, traveling sector DOH to COK, and asterisk QR to select Qatar Airways flight. Then sell the seat using command N102. O class is now lowest available. The left side window is showing we sold seat details. And add PAX name like this, N surname / given name and title, as per passport. Then add phone field. Command is P.DOH T travel agency, reference agent name and mobile number. And enter the ticketing field. The command is T.T star. The final step is to save or receiving the booking file, and then close and retrieve the booking file. Command is R.P plus ER. PNR has been created. Click on VL Vendor Locator to see the airline PNR. This is the Galileo PNR. We can see the flight details on next line and the name of passenger. Click on VR Vendor Remark. We can see the booking time limit and other information about the booking. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful and related content.